You'll need the net, mate. It's a monster. Look at the size of it.
Righto.
Well, you might do it. Monster. That's a monster. Oh,
That's a huge squid. like never.
I like your positive thinking.
Jeez, that's a huge squid.
Almost as big as Eldor.
That we caught earlier. That we caught earlier.
Now drop it.
Oh, I'll try not to, Scott.
Thanks, mate. Great capture.
No, thank you.
No, thank you.
Beautiful squid.
Beautiful colours.
Oh. Beautiful. That's easily the biggest one we've caught so far.
Feisty. He's a nice one.
Very nice squid. Oh,
Alive.
not quite dead. Not quite dead.
It's fat.
Alright. Don't know whether you can kill these the same way. Yep, apparently you can. Little cuttlefish. No, because I can't cook it all at once.
Get it all over the boat. Throw it all in the bag.
Yeah.
Shake it all around like it even. You just put it as you need to.
Yeah.
You won't get it over the boat.
Full of them. Can't get any pressure.
Cheers, mate.
Cheers. Fresh squid on the boat. Beer.
Here's the Serenity, mate. Serenity.
That's delicious. Oh, nice cold beer.
That's good as well.
Alright.
I think it's better than squid. No.
This is a shit. Yeah, probably all work. Oh, I can only see 2 floats. Have I got a squid on? Yeah, I have. It's about 40 mile away. Too busy cooking, I didn't see it taking the line. It's a long way away. No, it doesn't feel that heavy. We have. A couple of nice sized ones in there. Cuttlefish. All going well.
Wow.
Eh? Don't like squid, eh? You like the smell of it, but you don't like it, do you? Didn't eat it last time I gave you some.